Welcome back to BuzFashions. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to cut and sew a stylish sleeveless Ankara high-low A-line dress, an easy sewing tutorial. And if today is your first time of coming across BuzFashions, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell for you not to miss my upcoming tutorial. Now, without wasting our time, let's go in today's tutorial. How to cut and sew a stylish sleeveless Ankara high-low A-line dress. It is an easy sewing tutorial. Now the first thing we are going to do is to draft out the upper part. Now you are going to measure your shoulder to bust plus half-inch joining allowance, and also shoulder to other bust plus half-inch shoulder joining allowance. Then shoulder to waistline plus half-inch joining allowance and half-inch for the waist joining. So this is it. Then you are going to square this across. After these lines, you are going to go up by 2.5 from your bust line, and you are going to square it across as well. Now you are going to mark out your shoulder measurements plus half-inch joining allowance. So the shoulder measurement I'm using is 7.5 plus half-inch. That gives me 8 inches. So this is it. This is original shoulder measurement, but we are going to minus 1 inch from it. So the total will now take us to 7 inches. So this you are going to connect to your chest line. Now your shoulder slope will be 1.5 this way, and the neck width we are going to make use of 3, and you are going to connect it to your shoulder this way. The neck depth is 2.5. So from these 3 inches, go in by half. So now the total of the neck which will give us 3.5. So this you are going to connect. You can use your ruler and you can use your free hand this way, and you are going to measure what you have from your chest line to the shoulder slope. Here we have 6 divided by 2, that gives us 3. Then you go in by half-inch. Then you are going to connect to your shoulder slope this way. I hope you are getting it. Now on your chest line, you are going to add 1 inch to your actual bust circumference. So mine is 34 plus 1, that gives us 35 inches. So 35 inches divided by 4, that gives us 8.75 of an inch. So here is it, 8.75 of an inch, and you are going to connect this to the armhole. So here is it. Remember, we are here to add our side joining allowance. So this is what we are going to have. The next thing is to mark out your waist divided by 4. My waist is 29 divided by 4. That gives me 7/4. So this 7/4, I'm going to add 1 inch for the dart takeaway. So you are going to connect it to the chest line. Now my side joining allowance, I'm going to make it 1 inch. So this is my side joining. Now divide your nipple to nipple measurement by 2. Mine is 7 divided by 2, that gives me 3.5. So you are going to connect from your bust line to the waistline. My dart is 1, so we are going to mark half here to give us 1 inch. On the bust line, I'm going to come down by half inch, and we are going to connect all this leg together. Though while drafting on fabric, there is no need of connecting this dirt leg, but this is what you have to do. To tighten the underbust, you are going to mark ½ inch on this side, and you are going to mark ½ inch on this side. So the total will give us 1.5. So you are going to take away 1 inch on the waistline and 1.5 on the underbust. So you are going to connect it this way, and if you have your curve ruler, you can make use of it. So this is what we are going to have, and this will go like this as well, and it will join this. So that is how to tighten the underbust. And I want to give you an insight for this armhole. To get perfect fitted armhole for this sleeveless, you are going to minus 2 inches from your original armhole or from your actual armhole. My actual armhole circumference is 18 inches. So this 18 inches, I minus 2 inches from it. So 2 inches minus 18 inches, that gives me 16 inches. This is our joining allowance line. Now when we mark or when we measure, you can see now we have 8.5. So half will be for the shoulder joining, and we are going to be left with 8 inches. So 8 inches multiplied by 2, so that will give us 16 inches armhole. So that is just the thing. So with this now, we are done with the front side. Now we are going to continue with the back side. Now for the back side, I'm going to mark out 1.5 inch down here, which will serve as my zipper allowance. Now place your front pattern on it, starting from the zip line allowance. Then mark it out. As you can see, I'm done transferring the front pattern onto the pattern paper. This is our zipper allowance. So let's start from the neckline. For the back, we are going to come down by 1.5 like this, and we are going to connect it together. So here it is. And mark out your nipple to nipple divided by 2 this way. Then you are going to roll it up. Our dart takeaway is 1 inch, so half on each side. Then you are going to connect the leg 1 inch above your chest line. You connect the leg 1 inch above your chest line this way. Now with this, we are done with the upper part of our stylish sleeveless Ankara high-low A-line dress. So the next thing, I'm going to cut it out. Now before we proceed, let me quickly show you something on this armhole area before I forget. You will discover for the back, I move out a bit. For the front side, I came in by ½ inch, but for the back, as you can see, I didn't observe the ½ inch inward. So I want you to take note, whenever you are drafting your back pattern, make sure you don't go inward, just where we did for the front side. So that is just the little thing I want to cut out. So we are going to use this now to cut out our fabric. The last thing we are going to do for this upper part is to cut out the facing. And as you can see, the length of my facing is ½ inch below the bust line. ½ inch below the bust line. So you are going to draw it this way. 4 inches from the neckline. And I'm going to connect it this way. So this is it. and we are going to cut it out. So we are going to repeat same thing for this back side as well. So here is it, and we are going to cut it out. In our next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to cut the down side of this stylish sleeveless Ankara high-low A-line dress. It is somehow tricky, so that's why I want us to take our time to study it. Thank you, and see you in the next video.